key things in place that will be announced over the coming weeks. One of the things that they're working on is getting a testing regime that will handle the participants, will handle the convention. We can do this safely. I fully trust the governor and the mayor. You know, they have been right on this thing all along, despite all of the negativity that's been thrown at them. Look, I'm in Florida now. Personal responsibility matters. Businesses matter. People are wearing masks when they go inside, and they take them off when they're outside on a beautiful day. At the end of the day, what is being thrown at Florida and being thrown at the leadership here is this notion that they opened too soon and that they need to close back down. And that is just not a responsible solution. It's just not possible. So we have to learn to live with this. I mean, when you hear Governor Cuomo saying he's going to keep things shut down until we have a vaccine, well, what does that mean? Does that mean until one's invented? Does that mean one's fully produced, fully distributed? And, you know, meanwhile, Brian, what drives me nuts is that the people making these decisions are receiving government paychecks. They're getting paid twice a month when these business owners are having their livelihoods destroyed, when we can do both, are not. And I just don't think that's a responsible conversation to say we are going to shut back down when in Northeast Florida right now our ICU beds are at 30%. As you stated, the goal always was flatten the curve so their hospital systems can prepare, not that a single person wasn't going to get an infection.
Well, I'll give you an example of how crazy it is.
People that.
I mean, I know the president, he wants to let the states make the decisions, and the states are, in many cases, letting mayors make some decisions, but here's how crazy it is. Now the New Jersey governor says no indoor dining, yet they're down to single digits or barely double digits in cases. There was 0 cases in Suffolk County of where the Hamptons is, people might know around the country. 0 cases. They still won't open up any gyms. In Manhattan, they go, we're moving to phase 3, except for no indoor dining. Really? All the restaurateurs hired their people back. And then you change gears like that for no reason? And the cases are down. Who the hell are you to do this to these people? And by the way, the banks aren't getting paid because the landlords aren't getting paid, and the landlords are kicking out all these restaurants, and the restaurant goes, listen, I can't pay my bills anyway, maybe you're doing me a favor. Even though they took PPE money in order to sustain their businesses. So everyone said, well, I gotta be cautious. Keep in mind, there's a price to pay for caution.
Well, that's absolutely right. And the other piece is to treat the entire